Well done. Very good race indeed for our winner. The top step goes. This is the trophy together on the top step of the podium. Second place, what a race it was. On number 59, Rob Wiley. Well, I know he was leading for a good part of that race. On to the second step of the podium goes Ross. But our winner, the gamble paid off. Well done. As George Gamble takes the top step on the race, change the time of our podium for the pro category, everybody, for round 13 of the Porsche Carrera Cup Racing 2019. A draw will take place now. That champion ball. That is reversed. For the second of our races.
In fifth position, everybody else is safely through, including now the doctor's car going through as well, but a slow starting Daniel Rowbottom right at the back. 22 laps of racing, and second and third laps of Southeast James Bucky and James from going through. Alias contact through Brooklyn, and Cameron just put on wide. Mike Bushell lining up for a potential overtake as well in the Honda. So Oliver, this is the problem. You find yourself on the wrong line and two or maybe three cars can get through at the same time. Fastest lap of the race last time around was Ingram. I reckon he's done it again because he's suddenly right onto the tail of the race leader against the of the race, so the two BTC Racing Hondas are third and fourth, with Cook skipping ahead of Matt Neal on that lap. Yeah, home race for BTC, and Cook getting ahead of Neal. Neal's dropped another place as well, hasn't he? Checker flag is being raised up. Well, in his career, he's going to be playing dice now developing because Cook and Oliphant arrived at Becketts together. The queue has formed up behind. Cook's managed to fend him off so far, but again he's had a bit of pressure going through Brooklands. And then you've got McNeil, Adam Morgan, Andrew Jordan. Potentially for Chris Smiley to really dramatically slow him. They're heading back towards you. And they are the top two into Luffield. This gaggle of cars then coming into the left-hander at Brooklands. He's got ahead of him Tom Oliphant in third, later still second, and up front it's Tom Ingram, not yet feeling the balance that he's got on board. Yeah, the gap staying at almost exactly a second for a few laps. Later matching his pace here. Heading back towards Brooklyn. Oh, we just started to get a green left, bit of rubbing between Turkington and Jordan. And Turkington, that's where he got ahead of him a couple of laps ago. So, I think maybe the end, but both pointing each other to the behind both of the BTC racing Hondas and Andre Hunters and his teammate. They're all the same folks, they're all on the side, most of them. Moffat, those are around him. He's got a BMW, I think a Tom Holland van to his left. They turn now then through Brooklyn. Breathe in, three together almost all the way to Brooklyn. And trying to be centred, contact between him and that's the back set. Hughes across the track, the outside of the crash, and into the barriers. All back to got the safety car, and then absolutely right. Cook, Bush, your Cabbage, your top three. Cabbage back ahead of Smiley. Smiley fourth, Hill fifth, Jackson in sixth, Moffat seventh, Gott in eighth, Kane and Morgan ninth and 10th. Turning to the 19th, Jordan 16th, Jordan gonna get, we'll be able to turn into the corner and find out. I think he's gone through. I reckon you're gonna get Dan Cavish in second place when they come down towards Beckett. Okay, well first of all into my sight comes Josh Cook with the headlights on. Then it is Dan Cavish right like you said. Ada Moffat and Jack North who are motoring their way straight. So yeah, it was a great recovery. That would make some on board, wouldn't it? You've got to see that. Already hunting yourself back. Big screen. As well. So Dan Cavish now down the Wellington straight. But Jack Goff, Ada Moffat,